Hello you guys. Today for the video, I'm going to be teaching you how to clone a repository from GitHub for you to use and start on projects. Alright, so let's dive into this project and start coding. So first, we're going to want to go to Python. We're going to click download. It's going to take you here. So you're going to scroll down. We're going to choose the latest version. So this one. So we're going to scroll down again. And you're going to want to choose which bit you may need or whichever you have. So you can do this on when you go on settings. So we'll go to system, scroll down, we'll go here on about, and it'll tell you the system type. My system type is 64 bits. So we're gonna exit out and choose this one since I need this one. So when I finish downloading, open it. So what you're gonna want to do is click these two, have these checked off. Go to customize installation, have these checked out, all 5 of these. If you want, you can check this one, but I won't, because I don't need it. I don't really need it. So click next. Have these. Have the second one, the third one, and the fourth one checked out. And then click install. Now that it successfully downloaded, now we're gonna be downloading our VS coding app. We're gonna be installing our coding app. So we're gonna choose VS Code for it. So we're gonna want to download this one. So download. So like the same. You're gonna want to check the bits and which provider you're using. I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna be using this one. So I'm gonna click this one, and it should be downloading right here. Okay. So we're gonna open that up. So set the green and click next. Then this is where VS Code is going to be, where it's going to be at. So right here. So click next. And click next. And this is, then you can click all of these, have these all checked, and if you want, you can have this like right here. So next. So then hit install. So we're going to finish. And exit out for now. Then now we're gonna be installing Git. So we'll go to Git. So Git right here, download, and choose your provider. Then because when we check for in settings, you're gonna see the bits in your settings. So what I have is 64, so I'm gonna choose this one. wait for it to download. We open it up, click yes, then click next. This is where it's gonna be at. Click next. Next. Click next. Then right here, you're gonna choose Visual Studio Code because we have it. Because this is what it's gonna pair with. So it's gonna be this one. Use Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor. Choose that one. Next. So it's gonna be like Git decide. Choose this one. Use this one. And use this one. This one. And the default one, this one. And this one. And this one. This one. And you don't really need these, honestly. So then you're gonna hit install. Now that's done. Now that it downloaded, we're gonna click finish. Then we're now gonna go to, so what I'm gonna choose to clone is this, just to show you. Just for demonstration purposes. So this is somebody's repository. So from here, now that we got everything set up, we're gonna go right here, click on code, choose copy the URL. So click this. So now from here, I can't click my photo account, so I'm gonna open it from here. So I'm gonna put it from here. But what you want to do is just put it like on a location, put it on a path on where you're gonna like find it. So where I usually put it is go through documents. So I'm gonna put it right here. So I'm gonna be cloning the URL or the repository in this folder. So you can just right click this. So right click this one, right click the folder that you made. So like this, you can just add a folder, you know, in your documents and call it whatever you want. So it could be like GitHub, repositories, or projects, or whatever, you know. This is where I'm gonna put it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open it with right click and open it in terminal. So terminal's gonna pop up. So see it? See what it is right here? So what you're gonna want to do is gonna put git clone this, or the repository you're using or repository you want to clone. So I'm going to do this. Set cloning to that. Done. Now what you're gonna want to do is this cd. Then what you have to do is put the name of it. It's like required or something. So what I just do is just do this. Just copy the name right here. Then press it right here. So cd the name of a repository. And click enter. See that? Then what you want to do is now that you have that, is it should usually tell you in the installation. You see that? Installation. Install dependencies. So what you want to do is copy this right here. Copy. Then put it into here. Yeah, and it should work because we downloaded Python, and everything should work. Yeah. Then we use pip install requirements. Click enter, and there we go. Yeah. Now to check this, to check everything loaded correctly or installed correctly, we can open VS Code. From here, we have it now. So now we're gonna open it. Yeah. So right here, see that? It's an icon. Open folder, and it's gonna be like right here. See this? Where you like put it. So good. So go to this PC, users. Then it was in documents. Documents, GitHub, YouTube. Click right here. And that should be. Then you just click it. You don't want to double click it. You just click it. Select folder. And there we go. Yeah. Then trust it. And I should have everything right here. See it? And it's gonna tell you like stuff to install. So just for you, I'm guessing for you to use it. So I'm gonna click install. And this is where you can find the extensions on what you may need. So we're here in this icon, see that? Extensions. But everything, see that? Everything should be here on what you cloned. But yeah, if you want to use this one, if you want to try this out, he has a YouTube channel, and I will link it in the description. I'll link in the description if you want to like use this. If you want to like use this AI. And yeah, I think that's it. But generally some stuff won't work if it's outdated. So if if you run into this problem, if you run this, if you want to use it, it's kind of outdated, so you're gonna have to put a file here. Put a new file in this and call it init. So for the imports to run, or for this folder to get these things, you're gonna have to make a folder and call it in it PRI. So it's gonna be two like these. So it's gonna be 2 underscores on each side. So 2 underscores right here, 2 underscores, then init 2 underscores dot PIY, and that's it. Then that should take the yellow lines. So now it's actually like importing. It's importing UTLs, the folder called UTLs, and it's importing all of these files into this file. And see how it just like fixed it, I guess. I fixed it, and now it should work, but you're gonna need to tweak it. You're gonna have to like make some adjustments and just, you know, put your stuff in here. But the guy, the creator of this repository, actually he has a YouTube video made for it, and like I said, I'm gonna put a link on his channel. I'm gonna put a link on the description below where you can watch it and support him on this. And yeah, I think this is it. And that's how you clone a repository.